All right, opening up a 86 Fleer Dr.J that looked good. There's the package. I'm a little worried. It appears he just threw it in there in a top loader. We'll see. Well, looks all right. It's good. Got it between a couple other top loaders, so that worked out good. I thought the card looked really nice, so I took a chance on this. We'll get it out of these top loaders and see how it looks. So we will get this out. See how she looks on the surface and stuff. Should just grab a knife, but I didn't. There we go. So far, I like it. See how it looks on the surface here. Wow, looks good. I see a little, no, that was just dust. I'm kind of happy with it because I thought it had surface issues from the photos, but it must have been just dust. Corners all look great. Get it to focus here. Oh, looks pretty good. Maybe a tidge of white, but they look intact. Pretty happy with that. I would say that's a solid 8, very possibly a 9. See how the back looks. Looks good, a little off center, but it should fall in that guidelines of their grading. Pretty happy with that, Dr. J. Make sure to follow me. Check out the free card giveaway video for new subscribers. Follow me to see what this grades, because I will be sending this in. Here's a video of it in the holder. See you next time, guys.